Hi, my name is Brandy Gregg, and today I'm going to show you my Master Trello board for parties. So what we're going to do is when you are invited to my Master Trello board party, you will come to, when you open it, you'll go to Show Menu, come down to More, Copy Board, and you're gonna put in the title of it, I always recommend putting your name. So I'll put Brandy's Party Board, and it will open it up. So up here, it'll say Brandy's Party Board. I'm at my max for free boards right now, so I'm not gonna do it. But from that, so on my past video, you saw Sally Mae said yes to hosting. So I'm going to come over to New Party Template, and I'm going to click on the pencil, copy, and I'm going to do Sally Mae and create. So Sally Mae said that she wants to have a party in July. It was July 4th, remember? So we're going to move her under July. I'm going to click on her again, and on her name, I'm going to put 7-4. That way I know her party. And in here you can put her name, the party goal, party total, all these informations, and save it. And so here is your checklist to go through, and this is for an online party. I'm creating 2 more templates. So where it said party template, it's also going to say in-person party, and also it's going to have an affiliate link party. So there's no party with affiliate link, but you still want to make those connections. So schedule the party date. We did that. We decided 7/4, July 4. We're going to save and check it off. You're going to send her your host guide, okay? You're going to ask her for a picture, her favorite color, and her favorite nail set, because you're going to use those for your cover photo on your party group. It makes it so much more personalized. And then the group description, you can copy this over, change things how you want. It's not gonna copy line enters, so you're gonna have to go in and enter lines. And then we'll click done. And then the party group you're gonna create, done. You should all know how to do this, so this is just training on the Trello board. I do have videos on how to create a party group on my YouTube channel. We're going to create the party link. You should be able to do that. It's in your back office. And then you're going to schedule your posts for your party group. And honestly, you guys, when I first started, I thought, oh man, you have to have exact posts. It has to have these posts, right? You have to not forget them. Throw that out the door. All you need to care about in your party group is having fun, interacting, putting a little information here and there, but you want to just, play games, have fun, create friendships, and have that social interaction that we all crave. So don't worry if it's the perfect party posts or not. So Facebook, you can schedule posts straight in Facebook for certain times and certain days, or you can use Visly. And I also have a how-to for Visly. We have a team group on there. You can use some of our templates. Get going right away. Just when you use templates, you want to make sure that they're modified to your verbiage and your links and all of that. So once you've scheduled, you're going to have the hostess post a pic on her personal wall and message her this message. And so you're going to just come through and check these off as you go, and it's super simple. You just check them, right? So we've already done all those. Now you're going to message. It says messages to send to hostess during the party. So we have day before, Sunday. You change them to the days that work best for you. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, okay? So you see what I'm getting at? You change them to how you want. This is just it's called Hostess Coaching, so you can get maximum party. And then you have a section for message to guests. And then samples sent, you can put your people's names that you sent samples to in the party. orders and shout outs. Here's a little shout out you can copy and paste over to your party group and thank all your orders as they come in. Early bird special, when you you have all your customers here that get the early bird special. That way you can come back later and check them off that you sent them. Because I know I have a mom brain and I tend to forget if I did or not. So I love the accountability in this Trello board. And then during the party, you have this. So just go through these. It's super simple to work through them all and see everything that you can do. And again, these are just things to give you ideas. If you don't get them all done or don't do them all, don't stress out. I know that would be me if I stressed out if I didn't get everything checked off. But it's okay. This business is fun. This business is rewarding, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Perfect is not relatable. So totally okay. But these are just, I call it like a guide. It's just to guide you along if you're stuck in a rut and don't know what to do next. So you have all these different things in there. So just follow along with that and you will have such an amazing party. The biggest thing I can tell you when you're doing parties is that you coach your hostess. So in parties, you do want to message your host once a day so you can keep that fun excitement going, where, you know, in the sales funnel system, you follow up with them. If the conversation stops, you follow up with them the following week on the day they're in that column. That way you're not overwhelming. But host, you want to message daily, just small messages, nothing big, I promise you. Big is scary. Something small, like 2 sentences, okay? But so you have all these cute graphics for you. So if you have older parties you want to put in here, put your names in there, you know, just keep the list so you have a list of who did them in 2020. So up to you whether you want to use that card or not. I personally love to have my calendar go where the oldest ones are farther over this way, they're hidden, because I want to keep my current months up close to where the party template is. That's just me. You do what you want because there's no wrong way to do this. But I hope you have enjoyed that, and let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to help you out. I'm here for anything, so I'll chat with y'all later. Thank you.